Before the referendum, ADS and our members were in favor of staying in the European Union. It's because they operate pan-European, just-in-time, highly integrated supply chains. A set of wings coming out of Broughton for Airbus have to land in Toulouse at the right time to get onto the final assembly line. Otherwise, there's significant costs. And that feeds all the way down the supply chain. We participate in innovation programs. We rely on skilled workers moving around Europe. And for a variety of reasons, we wanted to stay in by a factor of 7 to 1. That's not the result we got. So what keeps us and our members up at night? What are the 3 things that we're worried about? First is the fact that we don't have a predictable political path to Brexit. That uncertainty is one of the reasons why you saw Airbus make that announcement about its future in the UK last week. And I think the frustrating thing is actually lots of other companies are in the same boat. They're already moving activity, moving registrations for regulatory reasons, stockpiling parts in the EU. People are already moving activity. And it's because we don't have a predictable political path to Brexit. It's not about stopping Brexit. Let's just have a path to get there. The second thing that keeps us up is the regulatory regime. For aerospace, you want to make sure that parts on a plane don't fail when you're in midair. The safety regime is just so critical. And if we leave without a deal, it means parts that are certified in the UK, engineers that are certified to do repairs on planes are no longer valid, not just in the UK, but across the world. That's a problem. It harms our connectivity. And the last bit is its customs relationship with the EU. If we can't move goods across the border when we need it, the competitiveness of the UK grinds to a halt. And just give you an example, we have one member that has a 4-hour delivery performance indicator to provide spare parts to a European airline to any airport in the EU. So they've got a warehouse distribution center at Heathrow, and they've promised their customer they'll deliver that part within 4 hours. And what happens if delays getting that part through customs adds even half an hour? They fail to deliver on their contract, and there are penalties for that company. And that's up and down. That's just one example. We have many examples where if there's any delays, any uncertainty getting goods across the border, supply chains grind to a halt, and that affects our global competitiveness.